Look at Mr. Passion, guys.
Sneaking up in my cupboard.
Oh my god, this dog is so naughty. He's 3 years old and he thinks he's a puppy. Just doesn't act age appropriately. He's gone inside the cupboard.
My cupboard.
What did you hide inside your cupboard?
A bowl. My bowl, my tennis bowl.
Ah, see, that's why he's gone to find the tennis ball inside the cupboard.
But I didn't keep it in a cupboard.
Are you searching for Aryan's tennis ball? He's sniffing and trying to find the tennis ball.
He thinks it's still in the cupboard.
Oh, this dog. This doggy dog.
It's in the drawer. And he's pulling out my...
Hey, Mr. Passion. Stop messing up the house and that cupboard. It's not there. Your tennis ball is not there. Go look somewhere else. You need much more stronger doggy instincts. It's not good enough. Look at him searching in the cupboard. Look at him trying to open the cupboard. My goodness, Mr. Passion. Stop digging inside this cupboard, please. It's not accessible for dogs. Hey! Oh my god, he's just pulling one thing out of the cupboard. Can you get out of there? Your ball is not inside that cupboard. No, it's not. Barking won't bring it to you. No. There's nothing in there. It's not there. No. No. Give up. Never give up. Okay, Mr. Passion. That's enough now. Hey, hey. Nothing. Oh my god. Mr. Passion, you're ridiculous. You leave that cupboard alone. Stop it. Ha. Stop it, Mr. Passion. Stop it. Guys, look who's good nighting, sleep tighting. Rockabye Passion on the pillow top bed spring mattress. When the booty shakes, the passion will rock.